In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. This is a useful setup if you want your website and email marketing tools to work together more smoothly. Once connected, you'll be able to streamline how your site interacts with Mailchimp, which can help with audience building and marketing workflows. The process is straightforward, and I'll walk you through it carefully so it's easy to follow. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Squarespace account and viewing your site dashboard. From there, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click the settings icon. This will open the main settings area for your website where Squarespace keeps the tools and configuration options for site management. After the settings menu opens, find and click third-party tools. This section is where Squarespace lets you manage outside services and integrations that connect with your site. If you're ever looking to add external platforms, this is usually the place to start. Next, inside third-party tools, click Extensions. The Extensions area is where Squarespace lists available apps and services that can be linked to your website. This is an important section if you want to expand what your site can do without manually building integrations yourself. Once you're in the Extensions page, look for Mailchimp and click on it. This opens the Mailchimp extension details, where you can start the connection process. Take a moment here to confirm that you've selected the correct service before moving on. Now, click the Connect button. This tells Squarespace that you want to link your site with your Mailchimp account. At this point, you'll usually be redirected to Mailchimp, so the two platforms can begin the authorization process securely. When the Mailchimp page appears, click Log In. From there, sign into your Mailchimp account if needed, and continue with any prompts shown on screen to approve the connection. Be sure to review the permissions requested so you understand what access is being granted between the two platforms. And that's it. Those are the steps to start connecting Mailchimp to Squarespace. If the connection doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and check whether your browser opened a new tab or pop-up during the login process. It's also a good idea to make sure you're using the correct Mailchimp account before approving access. Once everything is connected, you can return to Squarespace and continue setting up your Mailchimp-related features as needed.